This video is going to show you how to withdraw your OMI into the MetaMask wallet on your mobile device. The first thing that you're going to need to do is make sure that you have the MetaMask app downloaded. Once you do, you're going to want to come into the settings. You're going to go to where it says networks. And you're going to add a network. I already have added the network, but when you go into the add network section, it's going to ask for a variety of different things. The network name, the URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer URL. You're going to enter the information that you see right now on the screen. You can go ahead and pause the video if you need more time to enter the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer URL. Make sure that you're double checking, and I'm also going to link you to the GoChain official page so that you can verify and make sure that all of this information is up to date. Once you've gone ahead and have successfully entered the custom network, you're going to want to click Save. You're going to come out of the custom network tab, and you're going to want to click on where it says Wallet. It's going to bring up a variety of different networks. You're going to want to go away from the Ethereum main network and make sure that you scroll down and click where you've added the GoChain network. By default, the only token that is going to be here is Go. You're going to need to add OMI as a custom token so that you're going to be able to see it in your wallet. You're going to do that by coming down here and clicking Add Tokens. You're going to go and select Custom Token, and you're going to place the OMI token address. You'll be able to find that in the description of this video, or directly on the GoChain official block explorer. You're going to want to copy it, come over into your MetaMask wallet, and under the Add Token section, go to Custom Tokens, paste it in, and it will automatically fill the OMI symbol as well as token of precision, and you're going to click the Add Token button. Once you add OMI, you should see 0 OMI in your wallet, assuming that you haven't made a withdrawal yet. The next thing that you're going to do is copy your wallet address. You're going to click on it, and it should say public address copied to clipboard. Now you're going to go back to the exchange. When you're on the exchange, you're going to want to click Withdraw. You're going to want to search for OMI. And once you've found it, you're going to want to make sure that it says the chain type as GoChain. You're going to want to enter however much you're looking to withdraw. And in the withdrawal address section, you're going to want to paste the public address of your MetaMask wallet that you just copied a moment ago. Double check to make sure that everything is accurate, then go ahead and click Confirm to withdraw. When you click Confirm, depending on the authentication and security options you've set up on your account, you're going to want to enter whatever verification codes it asks for. Once you've pasted it in, it's going to say Withdraw Complete. You can click Confirm and exit out of the withdraw section of your account. You should see the withdrawal processed fairly quickly. When you go back to your MetaMask wallet, you should now be able to see your withdrawal inside of your account. Sometimes it can take a couple of moments. What I would encourage you to do if this is the first time that you've ever interacted with MetaMask and this is the first time that you've ever made a withdrawal from an exchange through crypto, what I would encourage you to do is do a small test withdrawal. That way you can ensure that you've set up everything properly and successfully receive your withdrawal. The biggest benefit of withdrawing your coins to your own wallet, like MetaMask, is that you have possession of the coins. You have possession of your private key. You want to make sure that you're taking responsibility for your assets and properly securing your account by keeping track of your private key and not sharing it with anybody. If you found the video helpful, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe for more content. If you're looking for a video on how to send your cryptocurrency to an exchange out of your MetaMask wallet, make sure that you check out the description to get access to that content. I thank you for your time, and we will see you in the next one.